Hello, my name is Justin Rosas, and I'm here to share some important information about how you can be prepared and safe when protesting and interacting with law enforcement. Prior to any protest, there are a few things that you can do to prepare. First, make sure that you have a protest buddy. This is somebody you attend the event with who shares awareness of safety and expectations with you. It's important that you discuss risk level and tolerance with your buddy prior to the event. Another thing to do is to take time to mentally prepare. Educate yourself, remind yourself why you're going, and whose voices need to be amplified. What you wear and bring with you is also important. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes you can move quickly in. Bring a mask, goggles, hand sanitizer, a photo ID, and an emergency contact. Write on your arm in Sharpie marker the National Lawyers Guild Legal Helpline 619-463-2369. It's smart to wear glasses instead of contact lenses. Do not bring drugs or paraphernalia or anything that you would risk being seized by the police. When you're at the protest, you can counteract risk by being aware of law enforcement and the crowd, the conflicts within the group, and where energy is moving. Keep your distance from conflicts and stay with your buddy. Also, find legal observers and stay in eyesight of them. Legal observers are people working to serve as a witness to these demonstrations. They take notes, record video, and take photos to ensure individuals are able to peaceably assemble. Do not interact with law enforcement unless it's required. If you do find yourself interacting, keep your communication minimal. Say things like, "Am I free to leave? I invoke my right to remain silent and speak with an attorney. I will not answer any questions or consent to any searches without an attorney present." Remember, don't sign anything and consent to nothing. The only thing you should sign is a jail release form, which is likely required to release you in the unfortunate circumstance that you've been detained. When interacting with law enforcement, you have the following rights: the right to remain silent, the right to have an attorney, the right to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures, and the right to be free from arrest unless there's probable cause. Preparing ahead of a protest, keeping vigilant, and knowing your rights are important to keep everyone safe and important in making these messages of the protests heard. Stand up, speak out, and know your rights.